Good morning, class. Today we will discuss poem number 2, The Rebel, part 1. Do you know anyone who always disagree with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now read the poem. So this is the poem about a person who is thinking quite differently from all, or we can say he is having the opposite idea in his mind compared to anyone or compared to everyone especially. So here the poet wants to convey the message regarding this particular poem, that there is a person who is thinking differently from all is called rebel. So let's start the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So when everybody is having the short hair, so at that particular moment the person who is rebel thinks like having the long hair. Second, when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody is having the long hairs, but the rebel just oppositely having the very short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When everybody is talking during the lesson, they are gossiping during the lesson, but who is quite silent, that is rebel. He does not say any word in between that. So we are talking about the rebel who is quite different from all. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbances. When nobody is talking during the lesson, means everybody is quite silent, but the rebel creates a disturbances. When this type of things is creating inside the class, but rebel creates the noise in between the class. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears the uniform means the decent clothes, but the person, the rebel, is having the fantastic dress, means the civil dress, it is quite colorful. Fine. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, when everybody is wearing the colorful clothes, but the rebel dresses very soberly and uniform, especially uniform. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for the cats. When everybody likes dog and everybody is here, they are dog lovers, but the rebel is quite different, thinking quite different, and expresses the preferences on the cats, like he loves cats only. In the company of cat lovers, when we are talking about the cat lovers, everybody is cat lovers, or everybody is quite cat lover, but the rebel is here who is showing his interest in the dogs. So the rebel puts in a good word for the dogs, means he likes or he loves dogs only. So rebel is the person who is thinking quite different from all others and having a opposite mind setup than general. So this type of the person is called rebel, and the rebel is quite very fantastically described by the poet in this particular poem, where each and every situation is showing that the rebel is the person who is thinking different from all other people, all other persons. So this type of poetry we are having in the part 1. So part 2 we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you so much, and please complete glossaries of this particular poem.